Good morning, and I'm back. Hey everyone, it's me, Chantel. Yo, it's like 7 a.m. and on a Tuesday. So, you know, um, so people have been asking, yo, Chantel, do you really not sleep with Paul? And I'm like, fuck no. He is big and loud and sweaty, you know? And like why would I share a room with him when I have my own palace? Really? So, I'm going to give you guys a taste of what I deal with when we do sleep together, which is like once a year. So, even yesterday, he was taking a nap and I'm like, "Oh, I'm going to go lay with him." And when I laid down, he started breathing. I was like, "I am out, man. It is it's awful. Let's go. Be the fuck quiet though. Shh. Let's go. Do, 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 do. Quiet. Do, 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 do. Quiet. Okay, so like that wasn't the worst. It was just deep breathing. But let me tell you, I'm going to catch it. The loud snoring. And the problem is, he has no rhythm. You think, okay, you know what? Shh, shh. Okay, I'm going to fall asleep to that rhythm. And all of a sudden he goes, and you're like, oh, I'm awake. So, anyways, just wanted to share with you. Hopefully, all you cool cats and kittens have had a good week so far. I'll check you later.